Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Gray color, white color, dark green color, peach pink color, black color, light green color, pink color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, brown color, red color, blue color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Red color. A for apple. A for apple. Peach pink color. B. B for bird. B for bird. Dark green color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Light green color. D. D for duckling. D for duckling. Pink color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Blue color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Orange color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Sky blue color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Red color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Peach pink color. J. J for jug. J for jug. Dark green color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Light green color. L. L for lamp. L for lamp. Pink color. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Blue color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Orange color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Sky blue color. P. P for pig. P for pig. Red color. Q. Q for white. Q for white. Is pink color. R.
A B C D E F G H I
R
J
for
K L M N O
rabbit.
P
R
Q
for
R S
rabbit.
T U V
Dark green
W
color.
X Y and
S.
Z. Now I know my
S
ABCs.
for
Next time,
squirrel.
won't you
S
sing
for
with me?
squirrel. Light green
A
color.
B C D
T.
E F G H
T
I
for
J K L M
tiger.
N O P
T for
Q R S
tiger.
T U V
Pink color.
W X
U.
Y and Z. Now I know
U
my
for under.
ABCs.
U
Next
for
time, won't you
under.
sing with me?
Orange color. V. V for fan. V for fan. Sky blue color. W. W
A
for
B C D
watermelon.
E F
W
G
for
H I J
watermelon.
K L M N O
Red
P
color.
Q
X.
R S T U V
X for
W X Y and
xylophone.
Z.
X
Now
for
I know my
xylophone.
ABCs. Next
Is pink
time, won't
color.
you sing
Y.
with me?
Y for yak. Y for yak.
A B C
Dark green
D E
color.
F G
Z.
H I J K L M N
Z
O
for
P Q
zero.
R S
Z for
T U V
zero.
W X Y
A,
and Z.
B,
Now I know
C,
my
D,
ABCs. Next time,
E,
won't you sing with
F,
me?
G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.